Or
Or
draw
draw.
circles with or write numbers and find the sums.
Galing. Okay. Count mo to. 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, lagay mo. 1, 2, 3. Lagay mo yung 3 dito.
3
Plus.
plus 2 equals
Galing. Very good. Next is
4
plus.
plus 3
Oh,
equals
sulat. 4.
4
Equals.
Seven.
Okay, next. Next, please. Lagay mo. Drawing ka ng circles. How many circles do you need to draw?
4,
Drawing ka 1, 2, 3, 4.
4,
Okay, and next is 1.
2,
Okay.
2,
Galing. Okay, 4 plus 2 is? Okay.
6,
Okay. Okay. This one. Count mo to.
5
Plus
plus 1 equals
5
5
plus 1.
1 equals 6.
Galing. Okay. You draw. How many circles do you need to draw? 1, 2.
2, 3,
Okay, next is 3 plus.
3 plus 5.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Galing. Okay, 3 plus 5 is equals to? Nasaan na sa pocket? Pocket. Ay, nandun pala sa legs. Dito mo nalagay. Okay, 3 plus 5 is? 3 plus 5 is equals?
8.
Galing. Okay, last one. Yay. Okay, 1 plus 6. So, you draw how many circles? 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 plus 6 is? Yay! High five! Check mo your work. Ito yung check mo.
Check mo.
3 plus 2 is equals to 5. Check mo. Lagyan mo na check dito. Check.
Check.
Put check.
Check.
Next. Ito muna. Check mo muna to. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 4, 3, 7. Okay. Ito naman. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Tama. Very good. Ito naman. 5. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Okay. Ito. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Very good. 1 plus 6 equals 7. Okay lang.
Yay!
Yay! Show me your work. Hold it. Hold the two papers. Hindi, bibigyan na. Side by side. Side by side. Hold it. Yan. Hold mo to and then hold this one here. Yan. Okay. Smile. Teka lang.